Hello student, my name is Vaishali Chirsagar. I am from Biology Department, Sanjuni Junior College, Kopargaon. I would like to welcome you all on the behalf of Sanjuni Junior College. As today is our first session, so I would like to discuss how to study biology to crack the NEET examination in first attempt. First of all, what is meant by NEET? NEET is a National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test organized by NTA. It means National Testing Agency, New Delhi. NTA organized or conduct this NEET examination every year to admit the eligible candidates in different medical and dental courses, in different medical and dental colleges all over the India. So, if you have to crack this NEET examination in first attempt, you must familiar with the pattern of NEET examination and the topic-wise weightage carrying in each subject. So, biology carrying 50% weightage in NEET syllabus. That means 90 multiple choice questions in NEET syllabus is from biology subject, 45 from botany section and 45 from zoology section. Each multiple choice question carries 4 marks and there is a negative marking system, means deduction of 1 marks for every wrong answer from your score. NEET examination is the only one and single examination to attempt or admit yourself in different medical courses or dental courses. So these NEET examinations, if you have to plan properly within these 2 years, then it is quite easy thing to achieve your goal. When we focus on biology subject, this subject, as you all know, that theoretical subject, this subject is totally memory based subject. So persistent practices on daily basis is a very important thing in this subject. In 2019, near about 15 lakh candidates appear in NEET examinations. Since the registration increases yearly, when we focus on the last few years pattern or difficulty level of biology paper in this examination, earlier this examination called as AIPMT, and nowadays it is compulsory examination for all over the India and the name is NEET. So from last 10 years, the difficulty level in this subject yearly increases or rises. So it is very necessary to prepare yourself with full swing. You should study smartly. When we focus on biology syllabus, it has 3 sections: do, can do, do or die. Can do means kingdom Plantae, kingdom Animalia like topics. They are with only number of features of different plants and animals, and it is quite confusing to study them and score from the related questions. For the same, the daily practices is very necessary things, or is the only key to attempt that questions those belonging to that can do, kingdom Plantae and kingdom Animalia. When we focus on the first section, do, in which all the topics those carries high weightage are there. When we properly understand the concept of all these topics, then it is very easy to solve their questions. And the topics those belong to this do section is plant physiology, human physiology, reproduction of plants and animals, molecular basis of inheritance, biotechnology, cell biology, ecology. These are the topics. When we understand their basic concepts, then it is really scoring me. And rest of the topics, those are mentioned or there in your syllabus. They are not discussed here. They all belongs to do or die. Means those having ability or their goal to score in NEET examination above 340, they have to focus on this third section also. Then, as biology is a cumulative science, so the basic concepts, those taught in one lecture, create the building block for the basic or the concepts of the next lecture. So you have to attempt all the sessions of biology without any excuse. Then, as the subject is memory based subject, so you have to revise the subject on daily basis. Which are the reference books from which we prepare this subject? That is one and only the holy grail of this syllabus or the subject, that is NCERT's textbooks and reference books. NCERT's textbooks is the holy grail of this examination. From 11th and 12th standard, near about 60,000 lines are there in these two books of that 2 academic years. When you read, understand and memorize all these lines, then it is very easy thing to achieve your goal or to perform well in NEET examination, because most of the multiple choice questions those asked in NEET examination is directly picked up from the lines of these textbooks. Then in NEET examination, most of the questions are diagram based also. So the diagrams, graphs, different charts and tables those given in this NCERT's textbooks, you must familiar about them. You keenly study about them within these 2 years. Then it's not that much difficult to achieve the NEET or to crack the NEET examinations. In case of biology, certain terminologies are there. Those are very difficult to remember. So you can use the or apply the mnemonic devices. For example, you can associate the biological terms and concepts with the familiar terms or phrases. For example, when we study the taxonomic hierarchy from kingdom, phylum, class, order, series, genus, species, it is quite difficult to remember them in a proper sequence. But when we link up them with any phrases, then it is quite easy to remember them forever. Now, I would like to continue this session with the basic concepts of biology, that is cell structure, nutrition, growth, etc.